What's going on, everyone? It is your wannabe bearded tech reviewer. That's right, I said it. Some of you have said it first though, that I'm just like a wannabe, and let me tell you, you are correct. I do want to be a tech reviewer, and I am trying it out. So, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be doing an unboxing / mini review of these. These are the RAZER headphones, the Kraken Pro V2s. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that correctly. Anyway, let's jump right into it. Let's not waste any time. So you can see some of the specs here. You can pause it and go over them yourself. I mean, they're headphones, not a lot to go over. Let's get these out of the box. I was going to say that I love the green. The green is just so bright and vibrant. Wow, what a nice presentation when you open the box. That is gorgeous. So they give you what looks like an instruction manual. Of course, we're not worried about that. I mean, they're wired headphones. So the cable is braided. It feels really good. The top of the headband is branded with RAZER, and it is very pristine looking. The build quality on these, my initial impressions are fantastic. The outside of the ear cup has a metal mesh that's reminiscent of a speaker grill. Have some flex to the earmuffs themselves. They're very soft. I can imagine that these are very comfortable to wear, especially for long periods of time. You have your inline mic and volume control. Nothing too special about this. And then it goes down. They give you a cable tie, which is nice. The cord feels so good too. Like, I know it's just a cord, but it's just a nice touch. It splits off. It wires off into a microphone and head or audio jack. And you can see it's like an adapter here. So you can unhook it if you want to separate it for your computer, or have one line in for like a controller, the PS4 controller or something like that. Retractable mic is super nice. I love this feature. You can get it up and out of the way if you're not using it. Just pull it out if you are, and you don't have to worry about losing it. I love that. I have an 8-year-old son, so that's going to be nice. One line into the headset is nice too. It's less of an issue to get tangled. And from what it looks like, the presets for the sizes are just fine. I don't think anybody's gonna have trouble sizing it up. So this is like a hard, like a metal band here. Just the build quality is so nice. I really enjoy it. I'm gonna go test these out and get back with you. Alright, so I just tried these headphones out. I played a little Black Ops 4, and I wanted to kind of get a general idea of how well they performed, maybe against something like a Turtle Beach headset. I have to say I'm a little underwhelmed by these. I've had some Turtle Beach headsets before, like wireless headsets that have a lot of presets and things like that were better than these, and probably not much more expensive than these. There are a lot of things about these that I do like though, mainly the design. Like, these look amazing, especially in person. Like, these are gorgeous headphones. They are a little underwhelming though. I have to call them out. I have to call out RAZER on how underwhelming these are. Don't get me wrong, they do sound just fine. No really complaints. The audio is crisp and clear. It gets loud enough, although at max volume, I expected to maybe have to turn it down at max volume. But I think that if I were going to use these on a daily basis, I would probably leave the volume at max level. Don't get me wrong, the audio quality is good. However, I don't think it's as good as some of the Turtle Beach headsets that I've tried, like the higher end Turtle Beach headsets. These are good though, and I don't think that it was a bad decision to buy them. These are about $80, and I got them for my son for a Christmas present. But I kind of bummed out, to be honest. Like I don't know if it's because you don't have the presets that amplify like some of the bass levels or something like that, and you're getting just like a stereo headset. I really like the microphone that can be retracted instead of unplugged, because my son has unplugged his mic from his other headset and it has gotten lost, and it doesn't have the well, I don't know what you really call it, like the dead cat kind of thing over the mic. Mic quality seems fine. However, for $80, I guess it is a decent buy. For one, it looks incredible, and the build quality is insanely good. Like, these feel great. They're solid. The cushions around the ears are comfortable. I did start to feel like I got a little hot. My ears started to get hot, but I typically don't wear over-the-ear headphones, no matter what I do, playing a game or not. So, I mean, I don't think that it's strictly like the design of these. I just think it's common for that type of headphone. But overall, I have to say, these are pretty cool looking headphones. I think my son's going to be crazy about them whenever he sees them. And that's what I bought them for, is his reaction. This kind of like a metal mesh is a nice touch. Overall, these headphones are pretty sick. The only complaint that I have is no audio presets, and the audio is good, but not like blow you out of the water kind of sound. It's just good. Now, I will be doing an unboxing video of these as well, so be looking out for that. These are the RIG 400HS. These are a little bit cheaper than the RAZER that I have here, but I want to do a comparison video. Really, like, I need to see which one of these two are better, because if these sound better, then these are the way to go, but I need to test it out for myself to find out. These are a little bit cheaper. I imagine that they're pretty comparable, honestly, but anyway, be looking out for that. I was going to make that video today, but my son actually has the headset stowed away somewhere. So once I get that headset, I will be doing that test video and unboxing. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Leave them in the comments down below. Be easy, everyone.